to attend this class, and don't be late, and don't quit the lessons early. Okay, just
Yeah, Lord.
warm up. Okay, please
Okay.
give me your attitude, please, to the class. All right.
Okay, Lord.
All right. From the beginning today, we are going to learn about the software. All right. And let me see. Which one? Here we go. All right. So everybody, please open your software.
Oh shit, you didn't tick me.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't put a 1 on my name.
I didn't put one of your name. Oh, you mean you got an extra score, right? Uh-huh. All right.
No.
So what's your name?
62.
62, right? Okay. 62. I will make sure about it, okay? I'll make sure about it after class. 62, all right? Noted. So everybody, please, if you had successfully have the software of the SolidWorks to 2020 or the older version, please open it right now and send a screenshot at the chat. All right, at the meeting chat. Okay, please, everyone. Understand? So, such as let me make the example, right? So if you have it's a software, and please make a screenshot, all right, and send it to the meeting chat. Okay. Great. 66 have uploaded. Good. No. I'm not mean the screenshot of me. Just screenshot of the software you got. Just like what I'm doing, right? It's not the screenshot of the meeting. It's just a screenshot of the SolidWorks software. Okay, you got. So please open your software. Please open the SolidWorks 2020. All right, and make a screenshot on it. So let me know you get the software and you can open it. It's okay. It's good. All right. Yeah, just like 59 is good. 59 is good. All right. Great. And maybe it may take a long time for you to anyway, I think it's time to begin our practice right now. And I'm not going to wait for all of you to to upload it. All right. In the last class, we have introduced about the CAD and CAM, right? And the software about it, and the characteristics and advantages of the software, the CAD CAM softwares, such as Auto CAD and the SolidWorks, right? But comparison, Auto CAD is always used in the 2D level for drawing, and in order to show the design content more vividly. So I think SolidWorks is a better software for the 3D drawing and design, and its design is much better than the AutoCAD. So that's why we're going to learn about this software. And so I think all of you have opened the SolidWorks 2020, right? The SolidWorks software. I don't mind
Yes.
which version about it. So you got the old version, it's okay for me, right? And if you have some windows open here, please close it down and follow me. Just follow me for what I'm doing right now. I'm going to tell you how to use this software, right? And for all of you to learn it convincingly, I changed this software in English part. Actually, I'm not really good at it in English part. Sometimes maybe I need to translate or something I don't understand. So you guys need to tell me what is going on, all right? And so let's begin, all right? First, you open the software and you can see, and maybe some of you can see, you move your mouse to the triangle and you will see the field and view and tools and helps. And sometimes it maybe disappear, right? And you need to just move it on it. So it's annoying. And we can push this, we can click this button right here, this one, right? This one. You see that? And it will be fixed. That's it's convenient right now, right? But it will not be disappear. And now we're going to make a new one, right? A new field for us. Okay, before that, I want to say this. Some of you students tell me that some of you guys, okay, whose mic this is? Please close your mic, okay? Thank you. Thank you. All right. Some of you guys tell me that still on. Can check. Okay, 22, number 22. Could you please close your mic, please? Hello, 22. Number 22, can you hear me? All right, good. Okay, some of you guys tell me that you have never used this software before, so he wanted me to make it from the very beginning and make the lessons much easy for you. So today I'm going to tell you how to use software in the very beginning, all right? And from here, you can see there are three modules, right? If you can't see this in this Windows, you can press this button. See, it's novice and novice and advanced. So we just choose the novice. It's good. It's novice for us, all of us, right? We're freshmen right now. And the first module here is a part. It's a 3D representation of the single design component. And here it is the assembly. It's a 3D arrangement of the parts and or other assemblies. So what is the part? Guys, see here is a pen, right? And the cover here, and the pen. We think about it as a shield, right? It's a shield. And here is a button. It's button of the pen. So here are the parts of the pen, right? And after we finish the parts design, we packaging all of them. So we got a symbol one. It's a product. It's a whole thing. That's the part. That's the assembly. You guys understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, Laoshi.
Right.
Yes,
Probably.
Laoshi.
So and here the join module is when you finish your parts and assembly design, you can make the join for the manufacturing industry to make the product to figure out the product and let the operator know which dimension and what the shape should be look like, and they will know. All right. We will learn about later, and this one is built. And today we're going to learn how to design a part work, right? And now we just click the OK to open part design. All right. Just wait for a minute. The software is really big, so we need maybe take some. All right, it's down. Okay, guys, we can see right here there are so many functions for the part design, right? Feature, sketch, surface, Anyway, it may be a little bit different for you of the functions right here, and it doesn't matter. We can choose. We can choose which function we need to use, such as you can right press your mouse right here or here. It doesn't matter. All right. And here's the tapes right here. So here are a lot of the functions we can use, right? To evaluate, the show metal and the surface and the sketch and the features, right? So in this course, we're going to use only the feature and the sketch and the SolidWorks CAM right now. All right, so we can just unclick it, unclick, and others. All right, the sheet metal doesn't need, and the surface doesn't need, and inspection doesn't need. All right, so we just have 3 functions right here. If you want another function, just click it out. It's okay, right? And from now, I'm going to tell you how to use a sketch and feature and SolidWorks CAM, right? SolidWorks CAM will be learning about later, all right? And as we can see in the right part here, it's a toolbar, right? This tool we might be used in the later, all right? And if anyone of you didn't see the toolbar, we can turn it out from here, from view toolbar, right? We can turn it out from here, from the view, and here's the displays. See, here's so many tools for the toolbar. If you such as you want to add a shaded on it. All right, where's it? Well, where is it? No, it doesn't appear. Doesn't matter. If someone of you didn't see the toolbar, you just turn it up from the display right here. All right, okay? Are you guys understand me?
Yes, Laoshi, yes.
All right.
Yes,
And
Laoshi.
from the left window, which is called design tree right here. This one is design tree. The type tree? Maybe not, but it's called design tree. All right. And the steps used in the modeling will be established in the design tree. All right. And here's a function, which means the normal tool. It's a really important function for you guys. It's right here. Maybe some of you didn't show it up. Let me tell you how to put it on here. It's normal tool, right? It's really important for our design. And so if some of you didn't show it right here, you can just press the triangle beside the option. You guys say that. And here is the customize right here, right? Then click the comments right here, all right? And you will see the standard view, okay? Standard view. Did you guys follow me to do that?
Yes, Laoshi.
Yes, Laoshi.
All right. And you can see here's the normal tool, right? Just pull hold your left mouse and pull it on here. So you have the normal tool right here. Oh, it's two normal tool because I already have one, right? Doesn't matter. Okay, you just if you don't want something appear, you can do the same thing. And here it is, and comment and the standard view, and yeah, put it back. So it's disappeared, right? Okay, good. Let's talk about something others. And all right. And some of you students have asked me how to set the unit, right? The unit is really important for our design. For any drawings, we must have a unit, right? So here's the option. We press the option right here, okay? And you guys can see here's a document property, right? Properties. And here is the unit we can see, right? We can set this unit right here. It includes MKS.
Could you please show this again from the beginning?
All right, do it again. Okay. From the option right here, you see that option right here? Press it, click it. All right. And here is a document property. You guys see that? Okay. And here is the unit you can set. Yeah, good.
Yeah, thank you, Losh.
Okay. And you can see here is the MKS. It's included meter, kilogram, and second, and CGS is centimeter, gram, second, and MSGS millimeter, gram, second, and IPS, which include inch, pound, and second. And you can also custom it. So you can design the unit, whatever you want, but I don't recommend. So I hope you guys use this one. It's MSGS. Why? It's the long unit is for the millimeter, right? The millimeter. You know, our drawing and our past design is always maybe in our school time it's always been a little things, right? Just like pen or a phone or something. So millimeter is might be better for you. Or see, you can see this cover is pen cover here. It's really small. So use the millimeter is good. And if you use the meter, it will make time for you to calculation and to translate the unit for you. So that's not convenient. So I suggest the MMGS is good for you. All right. Here is a unit cut. All right. And here's a commander bus, right? Commander bus. Maybe some of you make mistake to put commander bar out. So what can we do to put it back? It's quite annoying, right? So where is the command bar? And we just need to click this command bar and see this triangle right here, to pull it up to it, and then it will be back to back to the stuff, right? And and another way to
Laushi,
solve
I
this
can
problem.
find this comment bar in my SolidWorks.
You can find it, right?
Yes, I can't find it.
So you can find just like this, just like what I'm doing right here.
Yes.
So you just move your mouse right here, right this level, and right click your mouse, and here is an enable command manager. So it shows, it appears. See that?
I see. Let me try.
All right, try it. If you're successful, please let me know. All right. Done. I tried again. You just put your mouse on this level and right click your mouse, and here is the enable command manager, and it just shows.
Yes, 老师 done.
Okay, good for you. And there's another way for that. If you don't really know how to make it appear, just an easy way for you to find a wheel right here. Come on, let's make it disappear again. All right, and here's a wheel here, and we can see here's a workspace, right? Workspace, and it's a default right here. It means recover everything, right? So it appear too, right? It's good for you, I think. And anyway, we're going to the next part, all right? The shortcut key. The shortcut key is quite important for our design, right? The shortcut key. Where's the shortcut key? It's in the option. No, it's beside the option. The triangle right here. Did you see that? The triangle right here. And press the triangle right here and click the customize. You guys follow me? Okay, and here is the keyboard option. You guys see that? Keyboard option. Great. And I'd like to make an example for the extrude. Make it a shortcut for the extrude. So we need to find the extrude function, right? So we search for extrude right here. Extrude. Here, we can see the extrude right here. So we make a shortcut for it. All right. So extrude maybe prefer Ctrl plus E is good, I think. Okay. You guys follow me?
Yes, 老师, could you please show us again?
Okay, good. Okay. And so now the shortcut of the extrude is Ctrl E, right? And oh, sorry about that. I want to make another shortcut for another one. And for the dimension, I want to make a shortcut, right? The dimension is the function in the sketch, right? So I search for dimension. Here it is. It's a smart dimension, but it doesn't appear the whole name, all right? Just this one, smart. Its name is smart, but I don't know why it's smart. It's smart. It should be smart dimension. Okay, so I changed the shortcut of it into the control plus D. All right. So
I should control plus what?
Yep. Pardon me, please.
Control plus D.
Okay.
Plus D.
All right.
All right.
The shortcuts is what we use our keyboard to make a convince order for the sort of software. All right. What did you send a picture? Let me see. Good. And we're going to make an example in the sketch part. All right. So every one of you want to design a part. First, you need to sketch, right? So sketch it in a 2D level, and then you can transform it into a 3D level. Okay. So let's click on this sketch on, right? Click the sketch, please, and then you can see here are some functions for the sketch. We can use a line, circle, and spline, center triangle, and arcs, and ellipse, anything we want. And before we draw something in sketch, we need to choose a view for it, right? Choose a view for it. Include, oh sorry, it's Chinese here, but I think it's English in your interface, right? It's front view and the upper view and the right view. How we let me take an example for you. For this bottle here, right? Can you guys see that? Could you please close your mic right now, please?
Yes, 老师。
All right. Okay, you guys see the photo right here, and here, oh, sorry about it. Here is the front view of the photo, right? If it put like this, it's the front of view, the front view. Oh, why is two of me? Why is two me right here?
Yes, I was
It's
wondering.
annoying. It's really annoying me. Come on, what's wrong with me?
Nothing. I think the background.
All right. Okay, recovery. Here is a bottle right here, and this is the front view of you, right? And here is the upper view, and here is the right view, and maybe this way, or maybe this way for you. I don't know, right? Because it's reversed, I think. All right. So different views you need to choose right first, and let me ask you a question. What do you guys see for drawing this photo, and which view should we take?
We can take the
Which view?
top view.
The up view, right?
Yeah.
Front view.
That's
Front
really
view.
good for you. Come on, what's your
Front
Last
view.
Yep.
55, my student
Good.
number.
Good. I didn't ask you about that, but you said it out. I like that. 52,
Yes,
right?
Last. Yeah,
52,
55,
okay.
sorry.
55, sorry about that.
Yeah.
Okay, 55, sorry about that.
All
Okay,
right.
if you want to answer some questions, you just say it out and don't let other person go it first, okay?
Okay, Last.
All right.
Ah.
And that answer is right. And for the bottom, we need to choose the upper view. Okay, here's another simple. Let me choose another one. Here's a book right here. So, sorry, but there's a pen. Here's a book right here. If you want to join it in the 3D level, oh, sorry, where's my this book, right? So, which view should we take?
Front view.
Front view.
Front view.
Yeah, front view.
55, Last.
No, that matter. All right, let me tell you. It doesn't matter which view you choose for this book, because this book is very simple to make the model, right? The 3D model. Doesn't matter. You can choose this view, this view. It doesn't matter. It's okay for us. So just for the bottle here, you only need to choose the. No, you cannot choose this view, right? If you choose this view, it won't be a cylinder. It will be just a rectangle, right? So you need to choose the upper view right here. So let's choose the upper view right here, and guys, please follow me. Okay, right click the upper view, and you can see. Oh, sorry about that. You can see the normal tube, right? Click normal tube, and you can see the upper view is here. And then we begin to sketch. All right. First, so we want to build this shape, this circle, right? So we choose the circle right here. Okay, just click one time right here, okay, and put it on the view. So you can see when you move it to the center of the view, it will be appear a point, right? Actually, you can put the point anywhere. You can put the circle anywhere, but I perhaps to put it on the origin. That may be good. Okay. So you can see. Oh, sorry about that. I do it again. Okay. I will do it again. Sorry about that. Something missed. Sketch, right? We make the circle right here. So we just left click your mouse one time, and you can see here's the circle come up, and you can make any dimension, any radius of it, right here, and click one more time about the mouse. Oh, sorry about that. Click one more time, and a circle come up, right? See, and at the the left window, you can see here is the radius right here, right? Oh, here's a radius right here. So it's about radius here it's about 30 millimeter, I think. It's 30 millimeters. I think 30. So let's get 30. 30. Okay. And then we finish this part. Okay. So we click the close dialog right here. Okay. So we finish the sketch. And then we press the feature right here. Okay. The feature right here. And we need to extrude it, right? So press the extrude.
Loshi, can you do
Yep.
it again? Because I couldn't see. The screen is a little bit small and it's being hard to
All
see
right,
it
I do it
very
again.
well.
It's quite simple, I think. So it's okay for me to do it again. And here, from the very beginning, you mean? From the very beginning? Just first you click the sketch, right? Click the sketch, right? Sketch here and choose a view, right? The upper view, and right click your mouse, and here's the normal to, okay? It's normal to, so you can normal to the upper view. And here's a circle right here. Just click one time the circle function, and then move your mouse to the origin right here, and just click one time your left mouse, right? And you can determine the radius of the circle. Doesn't matter at this time. You can just draw a circle right here, and then you can change the radius right here at this window. You see that? It's
Yes,
30.
Loshi.
It is 30. Okay, it's 30 millimeter. And then you can press the enter on your keyboard, or just click the close dialog, and the circle's
Okay.
down. All right.
Yeah, yes. Loshi, thank you.
And now you want to feature it. You want to extrude it, right? So click the feature right here and click the extrude, and see the circle become to a cylinder, right?
Yes.
And
Yes,
you
Logic.
can use your the middle mouse, the middle mouse, the roller here, to make it zoom up, zoom bigger, zoom small. Okay, use your middle mouse to zoom it. And now for the feature extrude right here, we can determine the depth of the cylinder, right? So it's about, let me see, about 100 millimeter. It's quite short, I think. Oh, anyway, it's another way for you if you want to change your view like this. See, change your view like this. You need to hold your middle mouse at the screen, and you can change the view. See that? All right. And I think it's much better in 150. Great. See, we got a cylinder right here. Yep. Okay. And we can just press OK right here. It's done. Bottle. The roofly bottle. Come on. We got it. See that?
Laoshi, how
Yep.
can you change the color?
Color.
Yeah.
I mean the color.
Yes, how can
All
you
right.
change the color?
Actually, I'm not going to tell you how to change the color in this class. All right. In this class, I will tell you about. in the later. All right. Is that okay?
Okay.
Loshi.
All right. And let me see. If we want to make a different views of the of the 3D levels, okay, we can class button here is wheel orientation, right? Wheel orientation right here. So we can see it's from the left, and you can see it from this way. You can also use your middle mouse to choose which wheel you want to see the 3D level, right? As I say is okay. I think it's time to have a break. Is that right? No.
No.
5 minutes.
It's 5 minutes. Also have.
5 minutes. Okay. Sorry about that. I just don't want to waste your break time. All right. Okay.
Okay, Laoshi.
No problem, actually, no problem.
And see, you can use the different views of it. Okay, and the front view and anyway. And here I want to show you is how to change the dimension of the feature you have done, right? If you want to change the dimension of this circle, if you think it's too small for a bottle, right? So I can change right here. You can right click. You can click just right here. Click the triangle right here. See that? The both extrude one, right? And here's a sketch too, right? The sketch is what we just drew. We just draw, right? And right click on it. And here's a edit sketch right here. You see that? And then you can use the smart dimension right here. We just made a shortcut for the smart dimension, right? It's Ctrl plus D, right?
Yes.
And please pay attention that you need to choose the circle right here. So circle 9, not the face, okay? The circle 9 right here. And then the dimension will show up. And you can change the dimension, the radius of the circle, such as get it bigger, 100. Okay, and then close the diagram and exit sketch. It has changed, right? It looks like it became shorter. It became shorter, but it's not.
Yes.
It just become because the circle is bigger right here. See that?
Yes.
So if we want to extrude, make the dips higher, make dips longer, so we can change the extrude dimension right here. Okay. So right click the both extrude right here, and here's the edit feature. It's different from the beginning from before. And here is the right click here is the edit sketch, right? And here is the edit feature. And we can change the dips right now, all right? So we make it higher, and it's no, this number is not good for in Chinese. So this one's good, 200, okay? A little bit more, 230. See that? It gets longer. A bigger bottle right here, guys. You see that?
Yes, Laoshi.
Yes, Laoshi.
All right, it's how we change the dimension if after you down the extruded and down the features right here. Okay.
Okay, Laoshi. Okay.
Okay, Laoshi.
Okay. I think maybe you can just have a break right now, and we will go back at 11:05. It's okay. All right.
Okay, all right.
Yes, Laoshi. Yes, Laoshi.
Okay. Have a break. Okay, guys, please get back to class.
Okay, we are here.
Oh, so the monitors. Did you check the attendance of this class? Attendance of this class.
Yes, Laoshi.
Okay, good. That's really helpful for
Laoshi,
me. Thank you.
I tried
Yep.
this to make, but when I put a dimension and like I put 200, it's not used in millimeter. It's something like others, something like else, and the pictures ratio are very big.
Oh, so did you set the right unit right here? The unit set. I just told you how to choose the unit right here. See, document right here and say the unit. Did you have set the unit in MSGS?
Hope so. Let me check, Laoshi.
Okay. The unit set here. I just told you one more time. Okay. Sorry about that. In the triangle right here, it's beside the option. Okay. And here is customize. Oh, sorry, it's not here. It's in the option. It's in the option. Okay. It's an option. And here is a document property here. And here's the unit. And you can choose MSGS, right? But I don't think it's matter about the units. Maybe
Email, maybe you have to try to use that button between right and the left, that stay in the middle.
Okay.
Try to use that one to reduce
you mean
the dimension.
it's that too bigger, right? And you
Yes.
can zoom it,
Yes.
Use your middle mouse right here to
Okay,
roll it, see,
okay,
roll it.
Got it.
That will fix it. And if you want to change the view of your parts, you can just hold your middle mouse, right? Middle mouse, hold it, press it and hold it. So you can
Yeah.
change, right? Slowly. Okay. All right, guys. Any questions about the class? Any questions? Some of you, if you have any operation questions, please let me know. Okay. I will explain one more time and make sure all of you can know how to use this.
Okay, Laoshi, when I make a new one, but there have some mistakes, and how could I exit that? Like this one, I don't want to do this, and I need to exit it or I need to delete it. So how can I do that?
So you want to delete it, right?
Yeah,
Delete is
yeah.
part of work. Easy thing. See, you can just right click here, the extrude you have made, right? And here's a delete, so it's done. And here is
It's
just press
easy.
yes.
Okay.
Right? But here is a sketch right here, right? You can
Yeah.
also delete it, right? Just like this.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you, Laoshi.
No
Laoshi, I have a question, please.
Yep.
How can I change can you explain again, please? How can I change the dimensions?
This dimension, right? Also,
Yeah.
so I just deleted the module, right? And I want to get it back. See, it's come back.
Yeah.
Okay. Just press the Control plus Z to make the to recover the next step, the last step. Okay. So you can get it back. And you say you want to change the dimension right here, right? The dimension of the sketch. If you want to change the circle, the radius, right? The radius. So you can just right click the sketch 2, right? The sketch 2 is a circle, right? And here is an edit sketch right here. And now you just click the dimension right here. If you don't have the dimension showing up, so press the smart dimension right here and please choose the circle line of the circle, right? Not the space, the line of the circle. So it will show. And because I have already make a dimension right here, so it doesn't work. So I just that's like this, okay? And then you double click the the dimension right here, double click it. So you can change the dimension
Okay.
right now, all right, into
Mhm.
2D. And then click the close dialog here and exit the sketch. So it's changed. And if you want to
Thank you.
change the extrude right here, because extrude the dips of the cylinder, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just right click to the extrude right here and edit the feature. So you can see here is a dimension of the height, right? The dips of the cylinder, and you can change it too. It's like 150. All right, it's down, and click OK. It's down. It changed.
Thank
Right?
you, Lars.
Any other questions?
Actually, me, when I'm trying to edit the dimension, it's not coming this option to change the dimension. I don't know why.
Which option? I mean,
Even when I'm trying to sketch,
Yeah.
to edit the value, I can't get the place to put dimension.
oh, you mean you
Yeah,
don't have
I
this,
can't.
right?
I don't have.
Okay, let me show you how it comes. All right, I delete it up. All right, and see here's a smart dimension right here. See that?
Yes.
And click it, and just move your mouse and circle line. All right, not the face, circle line. Okay, and click
Yes.
it. It will appear. See that?
Yes, Lashi.
All right. So no problem right now.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay. If you have any more questions, please tell me after class at office time, okay? And let's move on. Let's make another one, all right? So when we finish this drawing of the part of work, you want to save it. You want to save it as a document, right? So we just press here to close and save all. Please save all, right? And you can see you can save it as anywhere you can save whatever you want, and just press save. It's okay. So I will not save this part of work. If you want to save it, just save it. All right. So I just don't save. But for you, if you want to save it, just save it. Okay. And we make another one. All right. Here we got a new photo here, and the part design right here. Okay, in this class, I want to make a class practice. All right, I want to make a practice for you guys. So you first follow me to do everything, and then you will try a new one, right? Then we want to make a new sketch right here, and the same, we choose a face, right? At this time we choose the front face. Okay, and just click normal 2. First you click left mouse at the front face, and then click the normal 2. Okay, then this time, okay, I use the center rectangle. Actually, the rectangle here, you have some options. It includes the corner rectangle, center rectangle, and 3-point corner rectangle, and 3-point center rectangle. Anyway, there's a lot of functions, a lot of tools you can use. So let me show you the difference between of them. So now I choose the center rectangle, right? And here, see, the rectangle is explored from the center, right? And if we choose this one, the corner rectangle right here, okay, and in the same orange point, see, it's from the corner. It's explored from corner, right? It depends on what you want to do and which is convenient for you. So, but for most of the time, I prefer the first one. The center rectangle is good for you. So if I want to see, you can still draw a new one, and if you want to stop it, to stop the drawing, you just click the ESC at the keyboard, right? ESC at keyboard, see? And it changed, the mouse will change. So you will not draw a new one. And if you want to delete it, the thing you don't like is garbage, right? And just right click the shape you have built and choose delete. Okay. And for this one, I want to build you will see that. And here I want to make a dimension for it. Say the same thing. It's a smart dimension right here, okay? And push this, press this line, click this line, all right? And make dimension for it. About 500. And for this one here, it's about 800. That's good. Okay. So now, now you can you see if you press and give another dimension here, it will warning you. Because it's a rectangle, right? And here you determine that it's 500. But if you want to change this, man, it's changed this one. So it won't work, right? And you just delete it, okay? And then we exit the sketch right here. The sketch is done, right? It's a rectangle. It is. And now we want to use the feature on it. When you use the feature, you need to select the sketch, which one you need. Just like this, right? Oh, if you have two shapes in one sketch, let me see. It's simple. It's example right here. Let me build another one. All right. Build another one. Build another one for you. It's two shapes in one sketch, right? Right here. Okay. And then you want to make the feature right here. Okay. Then extrude. So the two of them have been extruded, right? Make it appearance. Two of them have extruded. If you want only one of them to extrude, you can choose like this. See, you can just press this one and extrude. See that? I see that only this rectangle have been extruded, and this one is not. So before you extrude, please choose one of them. All right. If you don't want another shape you sketched, please choose another one. Choose one. Right. It's just so simple, right? I want to delete it right now. Okay. And now with feature extruded about, let me see. Oh, 30 is too simple. 100. Much better. Right? You guys follow me to do that? You guys followed?
Yes.
Yes, Loki.
Oh, and click OK right here. All right. Click OK right here. See, it's like a book, but it's not book. I will tell you. All right. The next skill right here. If you want to further extrude on it, so you need to choose a face, right? Actually, I want to choose this face to make a new extrude. So I left press on the face, and then I normal to it. All right. So you can make another sketch on it. Just press sketch, and this time I want to make a circle on it. All right. The circle have different. I want to use this one. It's good. All right. So I'd like to make it the circle origin and make circle in front. Let me
Laushi,
see.
for this circle, could you please show it again? How can I add extra?
Okay, I will do it again. Okay. From here, right? From an exit sketch. All right. From here, I want to make a new sketch on it and make a new extrude on it. So what can I do? I press this. Select this face, select this view, right? This face right here. Use your left mouse, okay, and then normal to it. Got that? You see that? And then I sketch, make a new sketch. Just press the sketch right here. Sketch, okay. A new sketch, and use the circle on it. And you can also see that if I move my mouse on the origin, it will appear a point of the origin, right? And I made a circle on it. It doesn't matter how big it is, and just make it first. And you can change the dimension of it. The radius maybe 180. Good. All right. And close dialog. Then it finished, right? And make a sketch on this circle. So if we just, I can just directly press extrude, so the circle has come up. It's become a cylinder, right? And choose a dimension on it. It's about 150. No. It's about 50. Much smaller. 30. Okay, 30 is good, I think. And click OK. You guys follow me?
Yes, Laushi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yes.
I want to build another one. All right, another part. So keep normal to it. Keep normal to it. Just select this face. Select this cylinder face. All right, not this face. Not this face. This is cylinder face right here. Is circle face. All right, and normal too. And make a more sketch on it. Press sketch here and make another circle. Sorry, another circle on it. And then please make sure that you have make the circle as the origin, because that will be help you to make it make the shape balance. I think it's balance. No, it's like a mirror, right? And make another circle around it, and set the radius as 150. It's good. And finish those dialog and end the sketch. All right. Now, if you directly click the extrude, and it will show. Please select a plate, a plan or a face, something. Just select this one. All right, the new sketch we've made. All right, and then we got the 100 maybe. Good. 100. So, guys, would we have made? What do you
Looks
think?
like a
Last, what's the
camera,
dimension of the
camera.
extrude, please? What's the dimension of the second extrude?
Second one. You mean this one, right?
Yes. What's the dimension of the extrude?
You mean the circle or the high?
The circle, the current one you extruded. What was the dimension, please?
Okay. If you want to know what dimension it is, you can use the, sorry, not yes, let me see.
No, I'll see the extrude dimension, the depth of the extrude.
The extrude dimension, right? Okay, it's 100. It's that actually it doesn't matter, and make just like this is okay. I don't care about the dimension you made. It's just examples, okay? It's just examples.
All right.
Just make it just like this. It's okay. So it's a camera, right? Somebody say that camera,
Yes,
right?
it's camera. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. No, it's not a camera. It's a roofly camera. Come on, because we need a window right here. Come on, we make another extrude. But this time we want to build the extruded on this face, right? On this face. So we press this rectangle face and normal to that and make a sketch on it. We make no, I prefer this one. I prefer the center rectangle right here. And here's a rectangle here. All right, you can see that I don't know I can really determine the position of the rectangle right here. If we want to, so what can I do? Okay, first I will delete it. So, oh, sorry about that. Delete all. All right. It's just it's the wrong thing. Okay. So we made another sketch on this rectangle. So we need a reference line to make sure the location of the rectangle is what I want. If you want the rectangle here is about oh sorry, here if you choose a line here, it will not disappear if you not click the ESC on your keyboard. You know that you can draw. It will be continue to draw lines. So if you want to stop to draw lines, please click the ESC. See that? And just right click it and delete it. It's okay. Much. All right, here is the reference line, right? Reference lines help us how to make sure the position of the another shape, right? For example, for this one, I want this rectangle is far away from the origin, like 30. Okay, it doesn't matter about the angle, right? The angle is not matter because I just want to show you the example to how to use a reference line. Okay, and here we can make a center rectangle here. Pay attention to it's a center rectangle now. Okay, not the corner rectangle right here because corner rectangle is not what I want to use. So make the center rectangle here, and so you move your mouse on the point of the another side of the reference line. Okay, and then make a rectangle right here. All right, and you want to make a dimension of the rectangle. Here is maybe 16, and here maybe 100. Much smaller. See, this position will move, right? It's not exactly what it was, and it will move. So when you make a reference line, you should to pay attention to it, because if you change the shape of your rectangle, it will move the origin of it. So what can we do? We will talk about it later. All right, we'll talk about it later, not in this class. And now we just delete the reference line. It's okay. And here we got a rectangle here. That's what I want to show you, how to make a shape on the position what you want, right? So use the reference lines. It's good. And exit the sketch. And here's a feature I want to make is two. And here maybe 20 is good. No, 20 is good. 20 is good. Okay. So here's a camera, guys. Here's a camera. Oh, if you want to say it, we can use this. You can use this ISO metric. See that? To change a view of this. All right, guys. So I want to maybe some of you follow my steps to make this out, and so I want to just close it up, and then build a new one for me. Okay. So I want to say the dimension of any of all of the parts is different from me. Okay. So make your own camera, please, from now, and maybe you have 10 minutes about it. 10 minutes to do it. Okay. 10 minutes.
Okay, 老师。
Okay. Do your own camera. Okay.
Actually, you mean we should redraw the same thing or any other thing is okay?
Any other thing? It's okay, I think.
Same.
If it, but
we can make the
it
same
should
thing.
be but it should include the different parts and the different views and on a different face, right?
Okay, okay.
Just the point is, I want you guys know how to make the sketch and the features on the different face, right?
All right.
So maybe it's better for you to make another camera just like this, but in different dimensions. Good, I think. All right, dimension doesn't matter. So let's do it. And when you finish your practice, please make a screenshot on your practice and send it to the tension meeting chat. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, just do it. I will be wait for you at 11:40. Okay, 11:40.
Eleven fourth class, you said 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm. I mean, 11:14. You should finish your practice. Doesn't matter if you did finish. It's okay. I just want to say what level you just reached. All right. Oh, some of you sent it already. Come on, why so fast? Good. I see the difference between yours camera and mine.
Yes, Laoshi.
It's 24, right? I will record it.
Okay.
Good job. Really good job for you. And another one is from 77. Oh, great.
Yeah, 老师。你这不对的。
Yeah, 70. Great.
Yes, Laoshi. Yeah.
Oh, 70. You miss your window right here. You see that? You miss a window right here.
Laoshi, I was just thinking like you just want to see until like where we can show up what we learn.
Take me pardon, please.
Just like Laoshi said, we can make everything that we want to see until where we understood the thing.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, thank you, Laoshi.
But I said that I just want to test you to if not you do you know the how to use the sketch on the different face and the different parts. See that? It's in a different phase, in the rectangle phase and on the circle phase. So that's the point of this skill, right? So I want to say different layers of your build. Okay.
Okay.
So everyone you have finished your practice will get the extra score. You know that? So please give me the extra score. Please give me the the work you have
Yeah, Laoshi, extra
done.
score.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Laoshi.
So far, I just see that 24 and 77 and 70, and other ones. Sure. Come on, fix it. It's quite easy for you guys. I know that. Oh, great. Who's that? Sally.
Laoshi.
No, Sally.
Yes, it's me.
It's great. You already did the thing that I didn't tell you. You great. Good one.
Laoshi, the fillet is easy. It's not,
This guy.
it's not a big deal.
The fillet, right? The fillet. You fillet it all.
Yes, Laoshi.
Good one. That's great. Mm. Mm-hmm. 3 minutes left. Anyone else? Come on, guys, cheer up. You got extra score. Come on. Doesn't matter if you did it wrong, but if you can just draw it, just design, it's okay. The simple one is okay, I think. Right, 2 minutes. Oh, another one. Good. 75. Ah, good one. You got how do you say that? It's a 快门. You know 快门 in English? It's Chinese 快门. Like turn on bottom. I think it's turn on bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great for you. And you 75. Good. They say good, not bad, good. Mm-hmm. I think maybe some of you didn't really have stimulation this software successfully, right? So some of you maybe not have
Laoshi,
the
when
app.
when sometimes when I use this app, it's pretty much slow in my laptop.
Beg your pardon, please.
Actually, when I use this app, sometimes my laptop is going a little bit slow. It's working slow.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's slow. Just slow down. It's okay.
Yeah.
Just it can design a part. I think it's good. It can work. Still work. It's good. So it doesn't matter
Okay.
about the speed. All right.
Okay.
Oh,
Could you
17.
take mine again? I made
Which one?
another one. Take mine again. I sent another picture.
Oh, that's much better. Much better. But you can see, here's the point is that so that is two circles, not in the same origin. Did you see that? Two cylinder is not in the same origin. You see that, guys? So next time you make the circle, please make it on the origin, just like this one. All right? See, the two circles is on the same origin right here. See that? From view. See that? And some of you maybe one circle is here and another one circle is here because you didn't select the same origin. So maybe next time you draw the sketch and please pay attention to the origin, where it is. Okay? And good. 64 down. And 59 down. Good. All right. Any of you, if you didn't finish the work, it's okay for me. But please send the pictures on the chat. Okay, before the class end, before the end of the class. Okay. And so I'm going to move on. Right now, I'm not wait for the whole time. And if you finish, just send the pictures on the chat before end of the class. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, let's move on. And we are going to learn a new skill, new function right here. We make another one. Okay, I don't save it, but you can save it. You can save your documents, right? Okay, I save it. Oh, I save it. Camera. Oh, I already have one. All right, guys, follow me. Now we made a new one, new part here, and 10 minutes remain. Okay, so let's move on. Now I want to design this bottle. It's not a bottle. It's a glass, right? How we used to drink. Okay. Good. And see, it's empty right here, right? It's empty right here. It's not like the camera we built extrude on it. It's empty right here. So we need to use the extruded cut option right here. Did you guys see that? The extruded cut option. So how can we do? We imagine that it's a cylinder. It's not a space that actually it's not a cylinder, but we imagine that we assume that it's a cylinder. Okay, is that okay for guys? Because I found a cylinder bottle for me. Okay, so we assume that it's a cylinder, and now, so which way should we take? Which way? Which view?
Top view.
Top view. Good. Okay, what's your numbers?
55.
64,
54, 55, right?
Yeah,
64,
55. What?
What's another
64.
one, please? 64.
64.
55 and 54.
55 and 64.
64. Okay, I got
Yeah, like it's 64.
They don't have any
Alright.
54 student. That is
you. Beg your pardon, please?
actually I said they don't have any student who has 55, 54. Sorry.
Okay.
Laushi, it's 55 and 64.
All right. I got it. Doesn't matter. All right, the up wheels, right? And the normal too. Let's normal to it. And first we'll make a sketch right here. All right, make a circle. Find the origin right here. It's really important for you, so you can find it every time. All right. So make a circle right here. Maybe 500. Oh, it's much bigger, right? It's so big, just like what you say, that problem, right? So use your middle mouse to roll it, to zoom it, right? Make it smaller. And then click close dialog and X to sketch, then make a feature on it. So we first need to extrude it, and we choose the circle here. See that? And make this like 1,000. 1,000 is much small. 2,000, much bigger. 180. Good. 180. So now I got a bottom right here, right? But I can put water on it in it because it's not empty, it's full, right? So I want to make it empty. I want to make a cut right here. So how can we do? We just here is
By press pulling.
pardon please. Okay, we just put this put the sketch on this face, the circle face. All right, to normal to this face, and
Laoshi,
we
we
make.
we can make hole by making a circle and then press pulling it.
Pardon please, I can't hear you.
Laoshi, we can make a circle in the middle and we can press pull it downwards so that we can make it hollow.
Yes, that's what I'm going to tell you. But please let me say that first, right? Okay. All right. I'm going to tell you it's not like you. But you know that this class is from the very beginning of you because some of you didn't never use this software before. So and someone tell me that make the basics technology.
Yeah,
It's okay.
yes, Laoshi. Yes, Laoshi.
So I'm trying to go in the easy way for you.
Yes,
So
Laoshi. Yeah, it was good.
don't be confused, okay? And I'm going to
Okay.
tell you about that. And here we go is to make another sketch on this view, right? So where are we? Here we go. And we make another circle on it. You can decide what is the thing of the bottom, right? Here we go. About 480. 480. It's good, I think. Okay. And then we finish the sketch. We select the sketch, right? And we make a feature on it. So we use the extruded cut on it. We cut it. See that? The cut on it. If we just the dips is 180. If it is dipped to 180, it's coming through, right? It's coming through. It's not right for us. So we need to make it 160. 160. So let's see. Here's the bottom. Here's the glass we used to drink. It's simple. It's a new tool. It's extruded cut, right? And let's see the part of it. Let's see the section view of this, right? The section view. See that? The section view you can determine is anyway in any views of it. It's like this and this, right? And you can determine the depth of the section, the dimension of the section, whatever we want. See that? All right. It's a section of the bottle, right? That we can drink it. Okay, guys. I think is that clear for all you guys that use the extruded cut?
Yes, Laoshi.
Okay, if we don't want the section wheels, just press L. Okay. So what I want you to do is, no, should I make a homework for you today?
Yes, Laoshi, it's okay.
It's okay, right? Oh, it's 5/1 holidays, right? It's 5/1 holidays for you, so you have times to make something really interesting in your okay. And now, okay, its homework today is to build whatever you want. Build a design, build a part, whatever you want. Okay, just make it interesting.
Okay,
And
Laoshi.
show me in the next class. Okay, show me in the next
Okay,
class.
Laoshi.
Just use the tension meeting, tension meeting, chat. All right.
Okay, Laoshi.
Don't forget about that. If you did the homework, you will get a score. If you're not, you will not. All right.
Okay,
Okay,
Laoshi.
Laoshi.
It's fair. It's fair.
Okay. Happy holidays. See you guys
Thank you,
in.
Laoshi.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Laoshi.
Bye.
Likewise.
See you
Bye bye,
next
Laoshi.
week.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you.
See you. See you.
Bye.
Monitors.
See you.
Don't.
Zaijian, Laoshi.
Okay, monitors. Don't forget to give me the attendance list. This work. This class. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
Laoshi.
yeah.
Okay. See you guys. Thank you.
So,
Bye bye.
Laoshi, one thing,
Yep.
Laoshi.
Yep.
There's a student you said didn't. One of the students who was complaining in the morning about not joining. You said he joined the class only for 15 minutes. I spoke to him and he was talking about the VOOV. You know, there's VOOV and there's Tencent. If you use VOOV, your name doesn't normally appear in the attendance list. So he's trying to change his software to Tencent. So maybe next, I think this time he's gonna show up on the list.
Okay. Who? What's the number of him?
24.
What's the student number?
My student number 24.
24.
24, right?
Yes.
So, you just text me in the WeChat, right?
No problem, Lash. No problem.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Bye. Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
Laoshi, for the good knowledge.
See you.